What is referral relationship graph in cryptocurrency? In cryptocurrency, a referral relationship graph visualizes the connections among users participating in referral programs. Each node represents a user or account, while edges indicate referral links, showcasing who introduced whom to the platform. This graph is pivotal for analyzing user engagement, tracking the effectiveness of referral promotions, and identifying influential members within the community. Let me show you a typical example of referral relationship graph in cryptocurrency in Delta Mining app. Click to launch Delta Mining app. To check the referral relationship graph in Delta Network, click on Menu. Click on Referral Team. Here, you can see that this account was referred by this person, and this account owner has referred about 18 people, and all of them are currently online. To check the referral relationship graph between these referrals, click on Graph. Here is the referral relationship graph. You can see that this man in purple referred the person in red. In turn, the man in red referred all the people in green. As more people join the system, the relationship graph becomes more complex. From onset, the man in purple invited the man in red, then the man in red invited all the green. Furthermore, this green invited this green invited this, and this green invited this in gray. In conclusion, by understanding these relationships, cryptocurrency projects can optimize their marketing strategies, enhance user acquisition, and foster community growth. Such graphs also help in assessing the overall health of the referral network, contributing to better decision-making for token distribution and promotional campaigns within the ecosystem. Thank you for watching.